So let's look at some technical of integration. So to integrate this one, you'll see that it have a root side and there's a function. So this is an integration of a composite function. A composite function is a function inside of a function. So how do we see that it's a function? So we know that x raised to 4, it's a function, and 3x minus 1, it's also a function. So we see this one. So if we can take 3x minus 1 and put it inside of this one, we can see that this one 3 minus 1 is inside of a function. So the derivative, the integration of a function inside of a function, we normally don't touch the inside function when you integrate, because it doesn't change the inside part, but it will be shown outside. So because we don't see any sign of this equation, you can use a U substitution to solve this, or you can integrate by inspection. So let's integrate by inspection. We have something like this. And then integrating this one, you have to change this before you integrate, because so this one, you'll take it as the outside function. You take it as this one. You are looking at this one. In your mind, you have to think like this, that you have something like this, and then you'll add one. You first deal with the inside function, the outside function. Yeah. So yeah, in this case, we are integrating this one. You have something like the inside part, you don't touch it at the moment. Just have when integrate by parts. So you must tell your mind that this one, you don't see it for the first time, like you imagining it as it's not there, because it's a function inside of a function. And then from there, we have to find the value. When we derive this, what will you have? You'll have 3, and then 3 is not here, so you put it underneath. So you'll have something like, and then solving this one, you'll have some, it's like 4 over 4. You'll add 4 here, and then you'll have 5 over 4, and then the same here, 5 over 4 multiplied by 1 over 3. This 1 over 3 is this number, so you'll divide by this one. If there's no 3, I will divide by this one, because when you derive this one, this inside function, you'll have 3, and then 3 is not outside, so you have to put it 1 over. When you return to the derivative, you will find it. So checking this one. So this one, because it's 5 over 4, you'll invert it. It will be 4 over 5. So multiplying this, will have 4. 1 multiplied by 4 will be 4. 3 multiplied by 5 it will be 15. So changing this one into a cubic form or into a sad form, leaving the answer into the sad form. So this one will go there, and this one will be the root part. The 4 will be the root part, so we put 4 here, and then we'll have something like 3x minus 1 raised to this 5 will come here, and then plus SC. So this is the technique of integral, and that's it.